morning, everyone. This is Karen with Grace Be Creations. Happy Sunday. I hope everybody's having a wonderful weekend so far. I first want to say thank you to everybody who joined the live last night. We had such a good time, and I just love my girls, and we all just have such a great time, and I appreciate you all. And thank you to all who have been sending me the most loving and supporting messages and comments and on my recent projects, and I just really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And I just wanted to start off with that. We have such a wonderful community, and I just appreciate you all. So thank you so much for joining the live last night. And so I'm starting off this video. This is just a quick intro. I'm actually going to be inserting a video of Laura Mitchell. She is going to be kicking off our junk journal series that begins on Wednesday. And this video that she is doing is going to be showing you guys how to put together the flip-flop journal that we're doing. We're actually doing a wide flip-flop journal. It's going to be so much fun, and I love how she put this together, and I love how she you'll see the video, you'll see how she did it, but she made it look really neat, and I can't wait for you all to see it. You guys got a preview of it last night on the live when I showed you what it looked like, but I'm going to go ahead and insert Laura's video in, and we're going to be starting the junk journal series on Wednesday. I just got finished, well, not finished yet, I have a few more pages to do, but I just got done doing my own journal that I did with Laura and Jen Chim, and I had so much fun making this book. It's almost finished, and I will be doing a flip through video on this coming up next week, so be on the lookout for that. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and insert Laura's video, and I will see you guys on Wednesday, where we will begin the junk journal series. We're doing the wide flip-flop, and my video will be starting to put the cover on, and just to start the creation of the junk journal series. And I know a lot of you are going to be doing it along with us, but I hope that I can inspire you all to craft along with us, and then post your videos over on the Grace Be Creations Facebook group. So let's go ahead and get Laura's video started. Let's give Laura a warm welcome. She is still new to recording, and she does such a great job. I think that she's great at explaining everything. So she's a little nervous making this video, but I think she did a wonderful job, and I hope that we can get her to do a guest appearance series on here. That would be great, wouldn't it? She's so creative. All right, guys. Well, here is Laura's video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.
Hi, ladies. I'm back. All right. I'm going to try to put the base for this new 6x9 flip-flop that series Karen is starting next week. Yay, so exciting. Okay. Of course, y'all know this is just a variation of the famous Leslie flip-flop. All right. And forgive my hands. I know they look terrible. I'm sorry. I just didn't have time to do a manicure. I'm just trying to get this done so she can post it so we can get this started. Anyway, all right. These are 6x12. I think they're called document envelopes. But this is the ones I use. I got them off of Amazon. There's the number. You can get them in craft or white. Karen will put the link in the description, I'm sure. All right, so what you're going to do is take 2 of them. I'm just going to take 2 of them. Okay, and I'm just going to close them up like or fold them up like I'm closing them, but I'm not closing them. Just going to fold them up on the score line. Okay. Do that with both of them. Okay. Now what I like to do, I like to just miter my corners just a smidge. Karen was texting me earlier, and she said that it worked better not mitering them for her, so that might work better for you. I guess everybody can figure out what works best for them. All right, so then let's get it off of this one. Okay. Oh, I hope I can do this without confusing y'all too much. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the first one, peel the sticky off. I'm going to put a little bit of glue just to, over the sticky part. Give us a little wiggle room. And I'm just glue that. Then we're going to take this and we're just going to tuck it down inside. Be easy. Don't manhandle it like me. Okay, yep, just close that up. All right, so now we got that. Make sure it didn't glue closed. Okay, so then we're going to take the second envelope. Okay, so that's on the bottom. We're going to take the second envelope, peel the sticky off. Well, not the sticky cover. Leave the sticky on. And then give it a little more, just, you can use a glue stick. I'm using Fabri-Tac. Whatever your favorite glue is. I like Fabri-Tac because it gives me a little more wiggle room. Mess up room. So then we're going to take this and then just stick it right there and come all the way in. No, come all the way in where those meet, right at the score mark. All the way. Come on. Oh, I should have mitered a little bit more. Come on. There we go. That looks pretty good. No, this needs to come in a little bit more. Just right up to that score mark. Come on. Get down in there. Okay, that's good enough. Okay. So now we got this. With this pocket on this side. I think that's going to be important. We'll see. All right. So now we're going to take it. We're going to flip it over. So now we got the pocket on this side. So we're going to take these and fold them in. Just fold them in. Fold it in. And then I just like to take it and go ahead and just kind of square it off. Just make sure everything's squared off good. Yep. Looks good. All right. So now we're gonna open it back up. I'm gonna use my bone folder. Do these down real good so that, let me see. Yeah, so the inside looks good. Okay. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're going to take this. Nope, hang on. So here we are. We got these, we folded in. So we're going to flip it back over. So this is this pocket. So we know we want this to be the third signature. So we're going to flip it like this. Okay? So this will be this pocket. So then flip it like this. So this will be the front. This will be the first signature. There's that pocket. Here's the second signature. Here's the back. Here's the third signature with the pocket on this side. Okay? So then we're going to take it and very, very gingerly, best you can, just open these edges up. Oh my gosh. Come on, Laura. I'm going to take my time. Get it right. Come on. I'll just take my time. Cut down all the way. Okay, I see it messing up a little bit, but that's okay. We'll fix it whenever we cover it with pretty paper. Okay, so let's do this side. Go in. Gotta, nope. Go out. That's what works better. Just kind of go in and then come out. There we go. Go all Okay, there we go. So now we got this flip up. So here was the third signature. There was this. We cut it open. So now that flips out and we got an envelope here. Now this right here, you can do several different things. You can just leave it a flip out with a pocket. You can just fold it up, make it an envelope like that. Or you can just cut it off, glue it down, and just make a pocket that way. But I'm going to make it a, look like a real envelope. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this, my cutting board, bring this over. I want to come in 1 3/4 inches. Well, since this is only a 1/2 inch, I'm going to do, 1.5 inches. I'm going to do 1.5 inches. And then I'm going to take off another 1/4 inch. That probably would have been fine, but I'm just going to go another 1/4 inch. So my total was 1 3/4 inches that I took off of this. Okay, and then we're going to do, take this, we're going to come down here a 1/2 inch. Just come down a 1/2 inch here. Mark it. And we're going to come down a 1/2 inch here and mark it. Then we're going to come here and find the center, which I think is this seam right here. It seems like it's that seam. Yep, that seam is like perfect. So this seam, I don't know, can you see that seam right there? So then I'm going to get my cutting pad. I'm going to go from where I marked it at a 1/2 inch to the center. Well, and I'm just gonna cut that piece off. And I'm gonna do the same on this side. Come from where I marked it at a 1/2 inch to the center. And there we go. Easy peasy. So now we have, I don't need you, so stay right there. So now we have the back page that kind of looks like a giant envelope. Pretty cool. I'll show you on my prototype. See? So there it is, and there's the envelope. And then this comes down and it makes it look like a real envelope. And then this is where the third signature will go. All right. So then we're going to take it. Here's the front. Okay, so we've got front, first signature, second signature, back, third signature, envelope, back to the front. Then what we're going to do, let me get this back. We're going to, okay, first signature, pocket, second signature. I'm going to take the back page. You can cut it off here if you want to and have a pocket on this side and this side, but I want a top loading pocket. So I'm going to very, very gingerly, I'm going to just take a sliver, not sure, off the top. Just a very, very tiny little piece. That should do it. I'm going to go here and just cut that. Okay. So now we have a pocket here. So when the signature's in there, there'll be a pocket there. All right. So then, there's the back, third signature, envelope. Okay, we're back to the front. So in the front, you can take another envelope. If you want to do it like me, I'm using another envelope. If you don't want to waste one of these, you can just get a regular 5x7 envelope. That would work too. But I'm just going to use this. I wish, actually, I would have. Oh well, I'm just going to go with it. So what you want to do is we're going to fold this up again. Okay. So like if you want it to be like mine, I'm going to do mine 5x7 just for the video. But whatever your topper is going to be, you can cut it accordingly to whatever you want your topper to be. All right, so this is going to go on the front like this. So I need to cut this at 5, like here's the flap. So I'm going to cut this at 5. Okay. And then we got this pocket right here. Karen's going to figure out something really cool we can do with this and add another page to the book. All right, so if this is going to go here, like this, I'm going to glue mine. You can glue it on the top, or you can glue it from behind, whichever you want. I'm going to glue it on top. It doesn't seem to be as bulky. All right, so if I want this to flip up, I'm going to cut the bottom here. If I want it to flip down, I'll cut the top. So I'm going to cut this side. So I'm going to cut this down to 7. Hang on, let me close this up. Cut this down to 7. Oh, am I on camera? Getting camera, Laura. Whew, this is nerve-wracking. I don't know how Karen does this. Okay. There we go. So now I got a 5x7 topper, which you could get a regular envelope and do it and save your big one, but I'm going with it. So then this is the front, right. So I'm just going to take this and glue it down right here, then about 1 inch off on all sides. But like I said, you can glue it like this, or put this where it'll be in the back, because you're going to cover this anyway too. But I'm doing it like this. I hope that wasn't confusing. All right. I'm just going to... Okay. Whenever I get ready to cover it, I'll take that off. But I'm just going to put this, just eyeballing it roughly. No, it's going to drive me crazy. I'm going to have to measure, make sure it's 1 inch. And it is. Okay. So I'm just going to put this here, line it up to that edge best I can. Okay. So now we have the flip out and a flip up. Okay. And that's it, guys. So we've got the front with a flip out and a flip up. You can put a signature there if you want. So technically that would be the first signature, a little half signature, short signature. But this would be the first or the second signature, depending. This will be the second or the third signature. But there's a pocket here in between. Then there's a pocket here. And then this is the back. So this will be the third signature. And then this is the giant envelope. And then back to the front. All right, guys. How was that? Hope it wasn't too confusing. See you guys later. Bye.